Hello! Today, we're going to make a blur rotation photo effect using Micromedia Flash Professional 8. To start, first, prepare any photo which you like to use for this project. OK. Press Ctrl J on the keyboard for document properties. Then select white color for background color. And set your Flash Movies frame rate to 30, then click OK. Call the current layer photo. Double-click on its default name to change it. Then enter. Now choose File, then Import. Then import to Stage, and import photo into the Flash stage. Click on the photo and press Ctrl J again. Then set the dimensions of your document as the dimension of the photo. Click OK. Now go to Align panel. Just press Ctrl K. Make sure that the stage button is turned on, then click on horizontal and vertical center the button. While the photo is still selected, press F8 on the keyboard to convert it into a movie clip. Click on frame 20 and press F6 key. Select Free Transform tool and decrease the photo. Click on the first frame and select again the Free Transform tool. The photo again, but this time much more. Select the Selection tool and click on the photo to select it. On the Properties panel, select Filters tab. Click on plus icon, then Blur. Adjust it to 64, then Quality as low. After that, click on Properties tab. Then in the Color menu, select Alpha, then put it down to 0. Click again on the first frame. Click on Twin drop-down menu. Then select Motion. Set ease as 100 and rotate clockwise, check sync, and snap. Then click on frame 40 and press F5 key. Create a new layer and name it Photo again. Then go back on frame 20 and click Ctrl C on the keyboard to copy. Then click on frame 15 of the second layer. Then hit F6 key. Then press Ctrl Shift V key to paste it in place. Click now on frame 30, then F6 again. Select again Free Transform tool to enlarge the photo. Go back on frame 15. Select the Free Transform tool again, then decrease the photo again. After that, select the Selection tool, then click again to the photo. Filters tab, plus icon, then blur. Set the adjustments again. Now, Properties tab again. Alpha, then 0%. Right-click anywhere on the gray area between 15 and 30. Then choose Create Motion Tween. Click now on frame 40. Then F5 key on keyboard. Create a new layer and name it Photo again. Photo again. After that, click on frame 25 and hit F6 key. Go back on frame 30 and second layer and press Ctrl C to copy. Select now frame 25 of third layer, then Ctrl Shift V to paste. Click now on frame 40 and hit F6 key. Select Free Transform tool and enlarge the photo to fill the entire stage. Go back now on frame 25 and Free Transform again, then decrease. Now, click on the photo, then select again. Alpha, then 0%. OK, right-click anywhere on gray area between 25 and 40. Then choose Create Motion Tween. Click on frame 65, then press F5 to add some time space. We're done. Test your movie by pressing Ctrl Enter. Thank you.